Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy Pnut on Coinbase Wallet. You can do this by opening up your coinmarketcap.com on your browser. Once you've opened up CoinMarketCap, simply locate its contract address. So the contract address is on the site, and all you need to do is simply copy the Solana contract address. Once it's been copied, minimize and open up the Coinbase wallet you have installed on your wallet. So once you've opened up your Coinbase wallet, make sure you also have Solana to cover your gas fees. If you do not have Solana to cover your gas fees for this transaction, simply use the buy option and then pay with your credit or debit card in order to purchase some of the Solana so you can use for transactions. Now, if you also have your Solana tokens outside of Coinbase and you wish to deposit from maybe a centralized exchange or another wallet, you could use the copy icon at the top of your screen just beside the magnifying glass icon. That's the search. So click on the copy and then click on other assets, and you'd find your Solana wallet address here. All right, so with this in mind, simply click on the Solana token, and where we have the swap section, click on swap and enter the amount in US dollars you wish to convert into the Pnut token using Solana. And where it says converting from Solana into, that's to choose an asset, click on the asset, paste the contact address we had copied from coinmarketcap.com, click on the Pnut token, and then you're going to be getting 3.321 Pnut tokens. Click on continue, and then proceed to click on swap. And now the swap is being performed, and all you need to do now is simply click on done. And if you head back to your wallet, perform a simple reload here again, boom, you find the Pnut token on your wallet. So guys, that's how it's done. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.